Today's April 6th, Wednesday, another stock trading day of the week. And I'm Trade Like Seb. I bring you guys another trade of the day review on ticker symbol AMD. Today, overall market, we have a whole lot of red. Playboy Cardi, a whole lot of red. So that was something to keep in mind at open. So this morning, we traded AMD and Square, me and Adam Guffey. We printed both about 60+%. I would get into both trades. I will upload my Square trade of the day review as well. That one was a break of lows as well. And I will go over right now my AMD trade review. I will give you some overall thinking of what I was seeing behind it and tell you guys what I was thinking play by play. So let's just get right into it. You know the deal. So let's go right away with AMD. I want to show you some bigger picture here on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hourly chart, I have this box here that is drawn. This box here is 105 to 106.90 roughly. In pre-market, we can see all this red here. And this is just letting me know this area is just a very strong area of sellers. So with that in mind, let's go over to the 5-minute. On the 5-minute, we can see all the big gap downs, push-ups, rejections in pre-market with AMD. So when AMD was going to open, I was looking for probably a rejection. If the market was going to be weak today, I was going to be looking to take shorts into a rejection, meaning the stock, I was looking to see if the stock was going to push up into an area of supply and then take shorts from there and to the downside. That strategy is risky. Let alone, I mean, you are entering a position when the stock is rising and you're intending to bet on the downside. It's important to see the level 2 and the tape to make sure that sellers step in and you can time your entry perfectly. If sellers don't step in, it can reverse and you have to cover your shorts. So with that being said, I just had a feeling AMD was going to be weak today with the overall market. Overall market opened up very, very red, but although AMD opened up green, so I said I'm going to take it into a rejection. So AMD opened green. We opened about 104.39. We pushed to about 105.26. Now, I say 105.26. That's a key number because my rejection zone is 105 to 106.90. And this zone comes from areas of support and resistance. We can see here in pre-market, we rejected this 105 level several times. This was an area of support and just a whole lot of consolidation around this 105 level. It's again, as well as 106. We rejected that as well. And it's yesterday's support as well. And then if we see this candle in pre-market, we rejected 106.90. So just long wicks everywhere in this zone. So this is why I was entering a short on this play. I entered 105 shorts. I entered about short 6 right at 105.26. Couple seconds later, we wick down. We reject this super hard. That lets me know that the stock is going in my favor, in my direction. Whatever I was thinking and betting on, it was telling me that it was going to do that move. The next candle, we also wick all the way down to test a 104 support level. We kind of wick up. We wick above, like buyers step up and kind of eat up this level, but we still don't get nowhere near above this 105 level. Next candle, we break below volume. We break below the VWAP with volume and the 50-day moving average. I then cover about one of my contracts at about 104. And then I see the stock pushing below 104 and attempting to test the pre-market lows. Now, we all know the pre-market low break strategy. On that break, stock is going to have another leg down. So I saw testing it. As soon as we break below about like 102.80, I definitely sold another short, another contract. and I saw this test all the way down to the 102 support level, and I sold about two more around this 102. This is another target area. We couldn't get below this 102 support level. So, and we started consolidating here. I then covered my last contract about right here, my last runner, my lotto, just because this whole consolidation, this 102 level is very strong. If we actually go back to the 1 hour, the 102 level, every level comes from something, guys. So 102 is literally here. It's about March 15th. We can see that we've wicked there. We've bounced several times here, here, here. Like you can go as far as you want with stocks and find your levels. 102 level, bounced here, here, rejected here. Like, you always have to find out where the stocks is heading. You guys want to know where supports and resistances, you find them, plot them on your chart. All these levels come from somewhere. The stock is not falling into random magical zones and these new levels. All these levels are backed and tested over and over again. So it's important for you to, go back in time, go on the daily, go on the weekly chart, go all the way to past data, see the resistances, see where the stock came down to and tested several times and bounced. Those are strong support levels. Plot them on your chart. Those are trading opportunities. It's just putting in the effort and putting in the time and applying that due diligence with your technical analysis. This is an everyday process. Just every day, just going over your charts, going on the daily charts, the weekly charts, the 4 hours, finding trading opportunities, using your moving averages. Stocks all fall into key constructed levels. It's not out of the blue that the stock comes to a level and you're wondering, where's this stock heading to. You can always find out the potential room and the risk to reward ratio with stocks with your technical analysis. And I just want to make that clear. These levels don't come from my ass. They come from the chart. So this was a AMD trade review. I printed about 60% on AMD, 105 shorts printed. It was literally a $3 in the money play. And that's AMD. I really appreciate you guys listening. I will upload my Square review because we also caught that whole move to the downside as well. Square was a much easier trade, pre-market break strategy. We'll get into that actually. And I'll upload this trade review on how I caught me and actually Talk Options Trading, Adam Guffey. We caught this whole entire move. But yeah, that's Square. I'll upload that video next. I appreciate you guys for listening. You guys have a good one. Peace out.